Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we are working on a brand new Audi A4, the B9 chassis. And what we're doing before we get going is I just wanted to give you a quick run through of what we're doing so you can see the before and after. So we've got the electronic handbrake down here, but as you can see there's no hill hold assist button with the automatic handbrake button. So it's a bit strange. A lot of these new cars, the new A4s, I've seen an R8 with it, they've got this blanked panel here, but they're not coming with the automatic brake button, which is this little doofer here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the center console. We're going to be installing the new Genuine Audi automatic brake button. We're going to wire it all up into the correct module, and then we're going to code it. A load of wiring here that's going to have to go to different places in the vehicle. We'll code it up, and then we'll quickly show you it all sort of working as much as we can in a stationary vehicle. So we'll flip forward and it should be done. Right, we're back in the room. So we have taken apart the center console. We've gone down to the correct module that we have to pin all the wiring out down in the passenger footwell because it's a right hand drive vehicle. And here we go. So we've got our new automatic hill hold assist button in. It goes on and off in here. We've been out on a test drive, and when you are driving along and the hill hold kicks in, it notifies you up on the virtual cockpit. Does normally like a little green icon. So there you go. It's all in. It's working. I'll show you. So that's the brake off at the moment, and you can turn that off and on. You can put the brake back on, feel it grab, and then you can also do it this way. So this has been a genuine Audi bit of equipment that's been fitted. So this is going to be giving you the genuine feel of the hill hold assist. So if you need to get it sorted for your vehicle, then just get in touch and we'll help you out with your car. And thanks for watching.